Many MedTech companies find themselves evaluating new cloud capabilities that are driven by the need to scale, globalize, and enhance business operations and process efficiencies. Our Oracle Life Sciences Cloud Model System is based on industry-leading practices that can deliver a unified solution combined with a single data model. Our end-to-end model system cloud capabilities can help address the necessary requirements in the MedTech sector while also helping you stay compliant. PwC has taken Oracle Cloud capabilities and augmented them with industry-specific personas and data insights across the finance, FP&A, supply chain, planning, and manufacturing capabilities. This approach can help you improve customer experience with enhanced insights. Our system can integrate and enable the traditional manufacturing execution systems common in the life sciences industry. Our model system can help reduce the risk of data fragmentation, process inefficiencies, and implementation design costs that enable accelerated product commercialization, greater efficiencies, increased compliance, and better adherence to industry-leading practices. Our holistic solution can help provide trust and sustained outcomes across the MedTech sector. Put things into perspective with access to quality visualizations that are available for important industry-specific KPIs. A recent IDC Life Sciences Digital Transformation Survey states 42% of medical device companies consider the intelligent supply chain as a top use case for digital transformation. PwC's proprietary methodology combines business, experience, and technology for enhanced outcomes for clients. These tech-enabled capabilities can help reduce implementation costs. Our system provides advanced design, prototype workshops, and solution assessment capabilities that can help increase productivity. Enhance your workflows by focusing on the signature processes that can help differentiate you in the market by freeing up your team for innovation, adoption, training, and improving experience. Ask about PwC's Life Sciences Model System and Oracle technology capabilities to help you get an early start to industry-leading capabilities and reimagine your target operating model.